Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create database in MySQL. So first of all, I am starting MySQL command line client. So this is a tool. Using this tool, we can run our query on MySQL. So before this, you need to install MySQL. I have given link in description box. You can follow that. So guys, here I have entered password and you can see it has connected to MySQL, right? So here we can type any query. So first of all, I'm going to show the available database in my system. So here I'm writing show databases semicolon. So guys, you can see it's showing me 5 database: information schema, MySQL and performance schema and sys. So these are the 4 database which is predefined, and Sunita database I have created. Okay, so now guys, these are the some database which already existing, and now I will show how to create own database. So write a command create space database name. You can give any name. I am giving CS corner, put semicolon and hit enter guys, and you can see here it's showing me query okay. That means my database has been created, right? So now what we will do, we will type a command use CS corner semicolon. So what it will do, it will change from default database to the database which we created now. You can see it's showing message database change. And now guys, we can type a command again show databases to see whether our database is actually created or not. So here I am writing show databases semicolon. You can see now it's showing me CS corner. So guys, this way you can create database in MySQL. I hope you like the video. If yes, then do hit on like button and please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.